Okay, so final video, just to help you make sure that you're absolutely confident for tomorrow's assessment. What you've done today is you've come up with your argument. You should have made a note of that. If you haven't, skip back to that first section and make sure that you've written down some notes because you need to have those notes with you tomorrow for the assessment. You should have read through the extract. You should have hopefully had a look back through the Twisted Lip PDF and found your other quotations, and you should have all of your evidence ready. If you are still feeling like you would like to do a little bit more, feel super prepared, I've just got some suggestions here for you. So I would suggest the most important thing you can do going into tomorrow is be really confident with this story. Be able to make reference to any event or character or quotation with a lot of confidence, sort of weave those into your essay. So you could reread the story again. The PDF is on the Show My Homework post, remember, or you could rewatch the YouTube video version. I've also put that on there. It's about 50 minutes, so you could watch a bit of it or you could watch the whole thing to make you feel nice and confident. I've also put a few of my tutorial videos or links onto the Show My Homework post. So you could rewatch some of those, ones about context or Doyle's intention. I've also put onto the Show My Homework post the sheet here. So how do I approach a full essay analysis and the step-by-steps. If you've got a printer, you could print that out and have it in front of you in the essay writing section tomorrow, or you can just have it up and reread it before you start. You could use that sheet today, this afternoon, or tomorrow morning to do a draft of your essay to practice some of your paragraphs. You know what you're going to write. And you could also continue to develop your quotation explosions and your notes. So you could take what you've made today and sort of rearrange that or put it together in a different way. You can have your notes tomorrow. That's absolutely fine. I know that anyone can access any documents during this, so it's not like a normal assessment in school. Well, that's why it's been an open book. That's why we've given you time to prepare, because if you do use the time to prepare, if you do have all these notes and you do use them tomorrow, you'll do super well. The final thing is just to remember the checklist. I would make a note of this. This will just help you for tomorrow. Remember to smile, help you both psychologically to remember that it shouldn't be too stressful. I hope it's not. But it also remember to do those main things. State your argument, mention your methods, identify Doyle's intention, think back to the question all the time, and embed lots of evidence and specific effects. Okay. Hopefully that's everything you need. Any other questions or queries, give me a comment on Show My Homework, and I'm really looking forward to reading and marking your assessments. Good luck.